This is a letter to my baby. That things will be better, and that I will know. No more alone. This is a letter. Oh yeah.
Essa é mais uma sequência do DJ Carlos Pedra.
And I want to see you, but no one will marry and daddy. I feel like loving you. This is a letter. Yes, this is a letter. This is a letter. Oh yeah.
DJ Carlos Pedra, o garoto show de Cafelândia, Paraná.